G'day Australia, Korum E here at Audiocom Mobile Electronics in Balcatta. If you've purchased one of the new Thinkware F770 dash cameras or any of the great new Thinkware range and want to extend the functionality of the park mode of these cameras, then Thinkware have an excellent product to do that. Let me explain what that means. So when your key is off and the vehicle's parked, your Thinkware dash camera range will operate in park mode, where it puts itself into a semi-sleep mode and records in time lapse so that it doesn't chew up the memory card, and it motion detects in case there's someone moving or loitering around the vehicle, let's say it's parked at night in a remote location, or it also activates on shock. So if someone backs into your car, the camera will switch on, start activating and recording in real time and do all its normal functions even when you're not present and the key's not in the vehicle. Very excellent function, very important to have. Now, if you're parked up for a little while, that will only run for so long before the Thinkware camera itself switches itself off, because it monitors the voltage of your car and it doesn't want to risk running the battery flat. Another excellent feature built into the Thinkware dash cameras. But you might want to extend that and have a longer period of time where the camera is operating as a surveillance device without you present. Enter the Thinkware battery expansion pack. This is its own little battery power pack available from Thinkware that we can install in conjunction with the new dash camera and extend the amount of time that the park mode is activated for before it starts using your car battery. That way you get a massive extended amount of time in park mode. It depends a little bit on the camera and how often the camera is activating, but it's going to upgrade a couple of days of park mode at least. This is another important reason that I want to talk about this, is because this is the correct way to put a dash camera in an electric vehicle. We do quite a lot of electric vehicles. We work very closely with the Tesla Club. We've got a few things going on with Tesla, including an amazing Apple CarPlay, Android Auto upgrade for the Tesla Model 3. Check that out in the other videos, link somewhere below. But to correctly put a dash camera in an electric vehicle, rather than just tapping into the standard electrical circuit, which can create some risks. The electric cars are doing a lot of things in the background already, particularly with things like the Tesla will activate heating or cooling without the driver present. So there's a lot of demand and drain on the battery already. You want to minimize that as much as possible and isolate the battery drain from your new Thinkware dash camera in your electric vehicle by putting it onto one of the Thinkware battery upgrades to enable that park mode for a longer period of time. So I hope I got that all out. I know I jumbled my words a bit there a few times, but I hope that made a little bit of sense and you learned something. This Thinkware external battery accessory massively extends the park mode function of your new Thinkware dash camera, and it is the recommended way to throw a dash camera in an electric vehicle. There's a lot of electric vehicles now. They're about to take over, they've already taken over the world, they're about to take over Australia as well. So make sure if you're looking at a Thinkware dash camera for your electric vehicle and activating the park mode, keep this external battery backup in mind as well to help protect your vehicle and help get better functionality out of your Thinkware dash camera. Thank you so much for watching and absorbing all that. That was a long one. I told you it was going to be a short one, but it was long in the end. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can see you again real soon.